okay? You gonna cry? Oh. What are you doing? What are we doing? Don't bite my hand. Don't bite my hand. Oh. Boo. Look at that. Who's that? Where's the boy? Who's that? It's a Romy. Why are you crying? Nobody's going to believe you do that. You a big crybaby? I think you are. Oh. Boo-hoo. Look at that puppy. You see the puppy? How big are you? You're 53 pounds now. You're 53 pounds? You're a big boy. Come on, Romy, look. Look! Hold your head up. This is our morning routine. We lay here until Romy's ready. Huh. I can see your eyes. I can see your eyes. You're so pretty. Yes, you. Oh, you give me little kisses. Oh, thank you. Romy. 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 Who's the boy kissing Mommy? Oh, look at those teeth. Look at those teeth. Look at those teeth. Ouch! Are you done? All right. Wait for it. Here comes the yawn. It's coming.
I just put it right over the burner and bubble and char it, blister it up on both sides. Or if you don't have a gas burning stove at home, you can also just put it in a dry skillet. Just make sure it's a non-stick skillet until it boils and chars up. And then you can start that off.
There it is! Roman's big yawn! Say goodbye. Bye! Goodbye!
Give this flavor.